born in El Paso, Texas, on February 28, 1960, Richard Ramirez was an American serial killer who, over a 2-year rampage, raped and tortured more than 25 victims, and murdered more than a dozen, most of them in their own homes. Dubbed the Night-Stalker, Ramirez was turned on to satanic worship at an early age by his cousin, a soldier who had recently returned from the war in Vietnam. Following a 4-year trial, in 1989, Ramirez was convicted of 13 killings. He received the death penalty and was sent to San Quentin Prison in California. He died on June 7, 2013, at age 53. Ramirez's criminal record began in 1977, when he was placed in juvenile detention for a string of petty crimes. He soon moved to San Francisco, California, and then to Los Angeles, progressing to cocaine addiction and burglary, and an interest in weapons and Satanism. Theft turned to violence in 1984. Ramirez's first known murder took place on June 28, 1984. His victim was 79-year-old Jenny Van Cow, who was viciously sexually assaulted, stabbed and murdered during a burglary in her own home. What followed was a spree of brutal murders, rapes and robberies, leaving more than 25 victims in its wake. Police found something very disturbing on a victim's answering machine. On November 7, 1989, Ramirez received 19 death sentences, to which he responded, "No big deal. Death always comes with the territory. I'll see you in Disneyland." He was subsequently transferred to San Quentin Prison in California. After 23 years on death row, Richard Ramirez died on June 7, 2013, at the age of 53, reportedly of natural causes. According to San Quentin corrections officers, Ramirez's death came shortly after he was taken to Marin General Hospital in Green Bay, California.